Good morning, Damien. Today is Tuesday, November 24th, 2020. How you doing, my boy? I get two in history. In 1960, this guy, Wilt Chamberlain, he played basketball. Uh, he got 55 rebounds in a single game. 55 rebounds, that's a whole lot. And then in 2016, November 24th, I took you for a watch the movie Moana in Pearl City. I miss those days, my boy. A whole lot. But make sure you have a beautiful day full of fun and laughter. Stay safe. Watch out for the guys coughing and sneezing, digging their butt, digging their nose. Stay far away from them. And be happy, my boy. I love you with all my heart. House kisses and noses. And I love you forever and ever. I love you.